For questions 9 to 14, it says to read the text below and answer the questions. Remember my top tip for the reading test. Only read the title of the text so that you know what the text is about, and then go and read the questions. Underline any keywords in the questions and then scan the text for the answer. So let's read the titles of the texts below. Community education, short courses, business. So we have business basics, bookkeeping, new enterprise module, social networking, the latest marketing tool, and communication. Now let's look at questions 9 to 14. It says, do the following statements agree with the information given in the text? In boxes 9 to 14 on your answer sheet, write true if the statement agrees with the information, false if the statement contradicts the information, and not given if there is no information on this. Okay, let's look at question 9. Number 9 states, business basics is appropriate for beginners. First, underline any keywords. I would underline business basics, appropriate, and beginners. Then go up to the text and search for these keywords. It should be in the first paragraph. So if we start reading from the beginning, it says community education, short courses, business basics, gain foundation knowledge for employment in an accounts position with bookkeeping and business basics through to intermediate level, suitable for anyone requiring knowledge from the ground up. From the 16th or the 24th of April from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the cost is $420. It says that it is suitable for anyone, therefore it is appropriate for beginners, so the statement is true. On your answer sheet, write true for answer number 9. Then return to the question paper and look at question 10. Number 10 states, bookkeeping has no practical component. We need to work out whether this statement is true, false, or not given based on the information given in the text. So first underline any keywords in the statement. I would underline bookkeeping and no practical component. The answer for number 10 should appear after where we found the answer to number 9, so you only need to read from this point. So let's read it. Bookkeeping. This course will provide students with a comprehensive understanding of bookkeeping and a great deal of hands-on experience. It starts on the 19th of April from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. It's a one session only, so advanced bookings are essential, and the cost is $250. It says the course has a great deal of hands-on experience, which is another way of saying practical component or practical components. As it does have a practical component, then the statement is false, as the statement is saying that it has no practical component. As I said, sometimes the answer will be hidden in the text, so scanning the text for keywords will not work. If you can't find the keywords when you scan the text, then you will need to read the passage or text paragraph by paragraph or line by line to fully understand what the writer is talking about to try to find the answer to the question. In your answer sheet, write false for question 10 and then go back to your question paper and look at question 11. Number 11 states, bookkeeping is intended for advanced students only. We need to work out whether this statement is true, false, or not given based on the information given to us in the text. So first, underline any keywords in the statement. I would underline bookkeeping, intended, advanced students only. This should be in the same text on bookkeeping that we looked at already, so check here first. So in the bookkeeping text, it says, this course will provide students with a comprehensive understanding of bookkeeping and a great deal of hands-on experience. It starts on the 19th of April from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. It is one session only, so advanced bookings is essential, and the cost is $250. It does not mention anything about who the course is for, so the answer is not given. Therefore, in your answer sheet or on your answer sheet, you should write not given for answer 11. Then return to the question paper and look at question 12. Question 12, or number 12, states, the new enterprise module can help your business become more profitable. We need to work out whether this statement is true, false, or not given based on the information given to us in the text. So first, underline any keywords. I would underline new enterprise module, help business become more profitable. So let's read the new enterprise module. It says, understand company structures, tax rates, deductions, employer obligations, profit and loss statements, GST, and budgeting for tax. It's on the 15th or the 27th of May from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and the cost is $105. Again, it does not mention anything about helping your business become more profitable, so the answer is not given. So on your answer sheet, write not given for the 12th answer. Then go back to your question paper and look at number 13. Number 13 states, social networking focuses on a specific website to help your business succeed. We need to work out whether this statement is true, false, or not given based on the information given in the text. So first, underline any keywords. I would underline social networking focuses on a specific website, help business succeed. Okay, now let's look at the text. We know that it looks at, or that we need to focus it on the social networking, the latest marketing tool text. So let's read it. It says, this broad overview gives you the opportunity to analyze what web technologies are available and how they can benefit your organization. It's on from the 1st or the 8th or the 15th of June from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and the cost is $95. We can see that this statement is false as it says in the text that it gives the opportunity to analyze what web technologies are available, whereas the statement talks about a specific website. On your answer sheet, write false for the 13th answer, then go back and look at the 14th question on your question paper. Number 14 states, the communication class involves speaking in front of an audience. We need to work out whether this statement is true, false, or not given based on the information given in the text. So first, underline any keywords. I would underline communication class, speaking in front of audience. Okay, now let's look at the communication text. It says, take the fear out of talking to large gatherings of people. Gain the public speaking experience that will empower you with better communication skills and confidence. It's on the 12th or 13th or 14th of July from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and the cost is $90. We can see that this statement is true as they mention gaining public speaking experience, which is another way of saying speaking in front of an audience. So on your answer sheet, write true for the 14th answer. Now that we've gone through section 1 together, try section 2 and section 3 of the reading test on your own to see how you get on. Remember, my top tip for the reading test is to only read the title of the passage so that you know what the text is about and then go on and read the questions. Underline any keywords in the questions and then scan the text for the answer. Please note that sometimes the answer will be hidden in the text, so scanning the text for keywords will not work. If you can't find the keywords when you scan the text, then you will need to read the passage paragraph by paragraph to fully understand what the writer is talking about to try find the answer to the question. I have attached all the answers to the reading test in this lecture so that you can check your answers for section 2 and section 3, so please feel free to access these. The best way to prepare for the reading test is to practice as many IELTS reading test questions as possible. Best of luck and I'll see you in the next lesson.